Weekend is the Academy Awards, when all of Hollywood A-listers come together as we anxiously wait and watch to see which actors and movies will walk away with an Oscar. And since I assume you're not going to the Governor's Ball, we created a treat that is Oscar-worthy. We start by popping a bag of microwave butter popcorn. After all, what goes better with a movie than popcorn? To that, we add a good amount of salted mixed nuts and about the same amount of dried cranberries. And since there are no rules, you can always swap out mixed nuts for fancier ones or raisins for the cranberries. We drizzle this with some white baking chips that we melted in the microwave and toss it until it's well coated. Now onto a large baking sheet this goes before dusting it with cinnamon and letting it cool completely. Once it sets up, we have a treat that is Oscar ready. Maybe you better make a double batch, because if you're like me, the more suspenseful things get, the more I nibble. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for what I call red carpet popcorn crunch, so you'll be ready come Sunday night. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an Oscar-worthy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.